we will pick up some really beneficial rainfall. Today, it also comes with the threat for storms, though. Again, not expecting what's happening to our north right now, but could we see an isolated strong storm? Maybe even an isolated severe storm. Severe limits are when storms have winds upwards of 60 miles per hour, 1-inch diameter hail, and of course, a tornado warning would also warrant for a severe storm, but we are definitely not expecting tornadoes today. But some gusty wind, maybe some small hail, definitely not out of the cards today. Here's a look at satellite and radar. This big red polygon here, that's the tornado watch that does extend into Panama City. So we're going to be watching this bottom line of storms here. But we do have active tornado warnings in southwest Georgia right now. A line of severe storms from south of Atlanta all the way into the Florida Panhandle. We did have some severe storms move through Hartsfield, Jackson. There was literally a severe thunderstorm warning for Hartsfield, Jackson. That could have caused a ground stop. So really important that you keep an eye on those flights, especially if you have any early flights connecting out of Atlanta, because we know how that can create a domino effect. I did put the contour of the Storm Prediction Center's outlook on our map, and I want to show you this because notice this light green color here. That indicates below severe limit thunderstorms, just kind of your general run of the mill. But again, I do think we're going to have enough fuel today to maybe have an isolated strong storm. And if we do have a singular severe thunderstorm warning, I won't be completely surprised about it. Temperatures right now, upper 60s to low 70s, 69 in Lakeland, 74 in Tampa, 75 in St. Pete, 73 in Sarasota, 63 in Brooksville, 71 in Newport Richey and in Winter Haven. Let's get you through the timing. So we'll stay dry through lunchtime for the most part. Can't completely rule out a few showers moving in from the Gulf throughout late morning. But again, for the most part, we are dry through noon. Around 2 o'clock, we're going to start to look up along the nature coast for rain and storms. Heads up to my boaters. I said it yesterday. You want to get your boating done before 2 o'clock. Make your way closer to the docks around 2 because some of those storms will be offshore today. And then just in time for that afternoon and evening commute between about 4 and 5 p.m., take a look at what radar could look like. Heavy rain and storms moving right through the heart of Tampa and St. Pete. That could cause a very messy evening commute. Our favorite thing to say in news, pack your patience. You're going to probably need it for that ride home a little later today. And make sure to pack the umbrella as well. After 5 o'clock, showers and storms sink south of I-4 by around 8:30. We are dry, and that front will move south of the area. We'll stay cloudy and breezy into tomorrow, so partly sunny skies expected, but mostly dry. Maybe a stray shower down towards Bradenton, Sarasota tomorrow evening. And then on Saturday, we could have a few showers start late morning down towards Sarasota and drift north into Tampa. Of course, we'll be watching this carefully because we have the big river greening event on Saturday. This would just be light to steady rain, it looks like. And it's because of this low. It's going to kind of pump in moisture across the state. But if this shifts east, which some models are thinking, that will keep the rain east of Tampa. So there's still a little fine tuning to do with Saturday's rain when it comes to the exact timing and placement of it. But low end rain chance Saturday. Sunday, the rain and storms moves in late ahead of our next weather impact alert on Monday as a front moves in and brings rain and storms more than likely for that afternoon and evening commute. Again, fine-tuning that timing through the weekend as well. So stay right here through the weekend as we give you those updates. Very beneficial rainfall, more than likely over an inch in a lot of spots between today and next Monday, which could help put a nice dent in our deficit for the year. We're almost at a 2-inch deficit. We are at a surplus for the month of March. So that's good news. We'll keep adding on to that. But this rain will be really helpful in terms of our drought conditions and, of course, our deficit in terms of rainfall for the year so far. Not the best boating day today. Moderate chop on the bay, seas 2 feet. You can get out. We don't have any small craft advisories or anything. But again, try to go earlier because of those storms this afternoon. Weather impact alert for those storms tonight and then drier and breezy tomorrow and into Saturday. Storms return late Sunday into Monday and much cooler next week. Look at St. Patrick's Day. Highs only in the upper 60s with morning lows in the 50s.